Once again, please welcome cluster number 8.
Pagsamingan. Natural lang, di pa nagbiton, no ti puso kan panunod, kat maantingay, iti sa puyo, miso-miso. Ngam no ti tao ngagbitot, wano ang pasulman. At tanan tasilet di pa nagbapawi, iti kaunggan na. Aturan na dagiti bitot na. Kat sa pulan na tinalintag, adana. Babaan iti tulong tinamanswa. Amang linis iti puso, kan panunod na. Kat rumusin tinamnya, iti kaunggan na. Pagsamingan.
Ay, Nana, inakmanipadas tigasat ko di Hong Kong.
Ala, palubusan ka nga't anak ko no isot pagragsakam.
Welcome to Hong Kong, Nena.
Ni hao, madam!
Nena,
Yes, madam!
cook delicious food for Chinese New Year. 谢谢.
Okay, madam!
No, I don't like. 不好吃.
Okay, madam! I'll cook again!
Hala,
Auntie Brising, kasaritak man ni Nanang.
maray huli nga tawag mo Hong Kong.
Nanang, o itanak man ti Ricardo para empanada, tagluto ak ditoy.
Ala nga rod, anak ko. Karuba! Tulungan dak mga ukuman di iti laog ka empanada. Ipawit ko kanod dyan Hong Kong. Ay bagas tibay at balina dalay. Gilingin na na pino, kastat kaya't pichino. Sumaruno tay balatong endayen. Tay hana na budo, tay lang pagpagaso. Ay na, Diyos ko. Mapuwa, ay kunandana, inilukano, dahil kagad tapaya. Mapuwa, isot pangawaga, kadatayo, day tatay papaya. Mapartitay baboy kong, longganis at sumarunon. Pagkatay! Umay katoy bantilen, tangurwurintan. Itlog tanupay. Apay, awan itlog tay chay? Kailan siguro nga ibong ne, alwadan yun, pagkababuhan.
Mmm, 泡泡 Nena, very delicious. 恭喜發財.
Kang hei phát chay!
車車你的美味加油我希望睇有好運樂同四的祝福祝你身邊好運祝你身邊好心數是星辰年快樂恭喜發財
Now I see if I wear a mask, I can fool the world, but I cannot fool my heart. Oh, it's that girl I see my heart and be loved for who I am. Oh, who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Why is my reflection someone I don't know? Must I pretend that I'm someone else for all time? When will my reflection show who I am inside? Balutin mo ako sa hiwaga ng iyong pagmamahal. Hayaang matakpan ang kinang na di matatagal. Mabuti pa kaya'y maging biguing walang ningning. Kung kapalit nito'y walang paglaho mo.
Tayo na, sumayaw, kumita at gumalaw. Tayo na, sumayaw, kumita at gumalaw. Tayo na, sumayaw, kumita at gumalaw. Tayo na, sumayaw, kumita at gumalaw.
Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit ay aking dahilan upang mag-iwang harihan na isa ng langit upang kalikasan at katulad. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit ay aking dahilan upang mag-iwang harihan na isa ng langit upang kalikasan at katulad. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit ay aking dahilan upang mag-iwang tayo ay nag-isa ng langit upang kalikasan at
Time consumed 9 minutes and 5 seconds.
Thank you so much, Cluster A. That was a standout performance.
Yes, sir. Nagising po ang Bambangueños. Minsan pa po parinig po ng malakas na hiyawan at sigawan. There you have it. The Bambang spirit is alive.
Let's now welcome Cluster 7.
Magdiwang tayo, magtibay bamba.
Mabilay, ibaba! Umali, ayaw! Bambangueños! Mabilay, ibaba! Umali, ayaw!
Once again, please welcome cluster number 7.
Noong unang panahon sa Timog Nueva Vizcaya, nagkaroon ng alitan ng mga igorot at inungot dahil sa isang usan. Sa halip na digmaan, pinili nila ang kapayapaan at inilibing ang kanilang mga armas sa isang hukay na tinatawag nilang bagbang. Mula sa isang simpleng hukay na naging simbolo ng kapayapaan, isinilang ang isang bayan na hanggang ngayon ay buhay na buhay. Ang Bambang. Sa paglipas ng panahon, ang pagbabagong naibahagi ng mga dayuhan ay nakambag sa pagunlad ng ating bayan. Mula sa aspetong politika, lipunan at ekonomiya, patuloy na nagsisikap ang ating mahal na bayan upang mapagtagumpayan at makamit ang minimithi tamis ng tagumpay.
Tutularan ka ng sunod na salilahi, kapuri-puring pag-aalay ng lakas, nagpupugay sa makabagong bayani, ang buong bansa'y nagpapasalamat. Halika rito ang hangganan ng langit, sa ulang ng pag-asa ay iyong makakamit, ang tagumpay ng bunga ng iyong pagpupuri.
time consumed 9 minutes. Once again, thank you so much, Cluster 7, for sharing the history of Bambang.
And now, please welcome cluster number 2.
Imutin lahat ng problema, halina tayo'y magsama-sama. Kultura sa ating ipinamana, ipagbumi at pagkaingatan.
Mihala nga po tao at Diyos, sikiyen e hawain na piyana. Irayaw tao, iohay tao, mabilay ibamba. Mabilay ibamba, ibambang tao, bambanggenyos tayo, may sa tayo ikipuso. Ibambang tao, tara't magdiwang tayo, mabilay bamba. Ibambang tao, bambanggenyos tayo, may sa tayo ikipuso. Ibambang tao, tara't magdiwang tayo, mabilay bamba.
Mabilay, ibaba! Umali, ayaw! Bambanggenyos! Mabilay, ibaba! Umali, ayaw! Ibambang, 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 ibambang. Mabilay, ibambang.
Iyo asiriyaya binambang, intalong-talong anak pagtalomon kayang, nagusti pagsindo dorangat, ahino ang tinbunganan.
Pantay karyan, kendisuan, napipintas na panswan.
Once again, please welcome on stage cluster number 2.
Bombang, a charming municipality in Nueva Vizcaya, has a rich history that begins in the 18th century when the area was first inhabited by indigenous tribes such as the Isinais, Igorots, and Ilongots. The name Bombang originates from the Isinay word Ibangbang, meaning to dig. Additionally, the name Bombang is also derived from a pit where warring Ilongots and Igorots buried their weapons, marking the end of tribal feuds. The municipality celebrates its heritage through Ibangbang Festival, which highlights Bambang vibrant culture and traditions. With its rich history, stunning landscapes and establishments, Bambang is no longer a hidden gem in the Cagayan Valley region, but now recognized for its transformations that the town soon to be a city. Bombang, a charming
Bahay kubo, kahit munti, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari. Singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, pataw, patani. Gundoy, patola,
joke just went viral.
DJ Discretion.
The club's full of ballers and your pockets full of bump. And all you fellas leave your girl with her friends. 'Cause it's 11:30 and the club is jumping, jumping. Ladies, leave your man at home. The club's full of ballers and your pockets full of bump. And all you fellas leave your girl with her friends. 'Cause it's 11:30 and the club is jumping, 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 jumping,
Levanta a mão pro ar e deixa o pé arrastar. Mãozinha na cintura, quero ver você dançar. Todo mundo vai cantando, o coração acelerando, dançando e rebolando sem parar. E quando o sol raiar, a alegria vai chegar. Todo mundo vai dançar, a vida vai brilhar. Quando o mundo conquistar, no samba do Brasil. É tropical, samba do Brasil, sensacional, samba do Brasil, é mundial, samba do Brasil, fenomenal, samba do Brasil. Biyaya na mayroon ka, yakap ng pag-ibig ng may likha, kagandahan na di mawari, tulad ng isang mapaghari. Ganun pa ang katubigan, kabulukan, ang iyong yaman at ang ngiti ng kalangitan. Ipininta na may buhay sa kagandahan ng bawat Nueva Vizcaya, kay ganda, halina't yakapin siya. Nueva Vizcaya, naturally vibrant. Nueva Vizcaya, naturally vibrant. Nueva Vizcaya.
Time consumed 9 minutes and 47 seconds.
Once again, thank you. Cluster number 2.
Next up is cluster number 5.
Ay karyan, kendisuon, napipintas nga panaswati abot tayo. Pagliliwan, ken pagkagsakan, ito'y tayo mapilay. Ibamba!
Ibang tao, pambangenyos tayo, may sa tayo ikipuso. Ibang tao, tara na't magdiwang tayo, mapilay bambang, bali ayo.
Muting lahat ng problema, halina tayo'y magsama-sama. Kultura sa ating ipinamana, ipag
Hello, hello.
Once again, let us all welcome on the dance floor, cluster number 5.
Hello.
In the beginning, the land bore the crack of rage. Tribes divided, hearts filled with cage. The wind whispered, carried the scream, and the mountains stood witness to the shattered dreams. In the midst of what once was war, a school rose high, where battle once echoed. Young ones with bloodlines once opposed, now stand as friends, coming not to fight, but to help and to mend. With every morning gentle light, a new hope dawns, soft and bright. The past must not be cast aside, but the future call with arms open wide. Technology, science, and arts with grace, this we must welcome in full embrace. Progress is no longer the foe we feared, but a true friend, trusted and revered. So with each step, have no fear. Face tomorrow with vision and clear. For at the heart of a real progress lies the dream we hold behind our eyes. Eto na. Uy, mukhang piyesta rito ah. Hi ate, hi ka po sa vlog ko. Ano po pangalan nyo? Sharon. Ah, yung anak ni Marites, apo ni Marisol. Eto na ba yung Bambang? Future City, sa dinami-dami ng struktura, talagang mabilis ang progreso dito.
Bambang galing, baka gusto mo matungkasan ang Bambang Festival. Tiyak na maliligayan ka sa aktibidad nito. May kantahan at sayawan at
Naku, mukhang masaya yan! Hi sa mga viewers ko dyan! Tara na, sali na kayo rito!
Inday, agraing ka, agpalengke tayo.
Ma, hindi ba masyado pang maaga? Inaantok pa ako.
Ay na, aldawan anak ko. Hintayon, at agadong pa'y tao dirwaran.
Okay, fine. Sober init pa naman sa labas, ma.
Manang itulot na kami man di bat, agpalengke ak kami man di, ang dami para sa fiesta.
Fiesta? Oh no! Balita ko madaming sayawan at kantahan sa fiesta, ma. Pupunta kami ni best friend.
Dito na po tayo.
Salamat, Mano. Ngala ko yo. Ay na, nag-iimas mga natungal.
Let the bass kick.
Ay nagulat nang buksan ang pinto. Salaw ng mga tao'y biglang nahinto. Buhok mo'y Gucci, talapa kay Gucci. Supot mo'y gawan, ito'y tinanggaling kay Elo. Bongga kaday, sige lang, itaas ang kilay. 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 Bongga kaday, sige lang, itaas ang kilay.
Bongga nga! Tara, sumali tayo sa sayaw. Panoorin nyo kami!
Time consumed 9 minutes and 23 seconds. Once again, thank you, cluster number 5. Next up is cluster number 3.
Ay karyan kendisuan napipintas na paraswan di abot tayo pagliliwan ken pagkagsakan dito'y tayo mabilay ibamba
Bambang tayo, bambang genyos tayo, may sa tayo ikipuso. Ibang tayo, taran at magdiwang tayo, mabilay bambang, umali ayo.
Imutin lahat ng problema halina tayo'y magsama-sama kultura sa ating ipinamala ikagbumi at pagkaingatan
Mihala nga puta uwa Diyos, sigiyen hawan inapyana. Irayaw tao, iohay tao, mabilay ibambang.
mabilay ibamba
Ibambang tao, bambang genyos tayo, may sa tayo ikipuso. Ibambang tao, taran at magdiwang tayo, mabilay bambang. Ibambang tao, bambang genyos tayo, may sa tayo ikipuso.
Once again, let's give it up for cluster number 3.
A powerhouse of unity, culture, and unstoppable spirit. We don't just step on the stage, we rise with the pride of our people, the rhythm of our roots, and the fire of our determination. Every beat, every move, every voice echoes the strength and soul of our cluster. This is more than a performance. This is our story, our pride, our power. Proudly rising from the southern part of Bambang, Cluster 3, Aliaga, Indiana, Mawag.
Ladies and gentlemen, Beyonce.
Left a good job in the city, working for men every night and day. And I never lost 1 minute of sleep, 'cause I was worried about the way things might have been. Big wheels keep on turning, brown berry keep on burning. We'll be rolling, rolling, yeah, growling on the river. I said rolling, rolling, yeah, rolling on the river. Well, I left a good job in the city, working for a man every night and day. And I never lost 1 minute of sleep, 'cause I was worried about the way things might have been. Big wheels keep on turning, turning, proud berry keep on burning, burning. We'll be rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. I said rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Alright.
Sa bawat pagsikat ng araw, kagandahan ay matatanaw. Sa biyayang umaapaw, kultura'y nangingibabaw. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, pasasalamat ang sigaw. Sa bawat pagsikat ng araw, kagandahan ay matatanaw. Sa biyayang umaapaw, kultura'y nangingibabaw. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, pasasalamat ang sigaw. At pagsikat ng araw, kagandahan ay matatanaw. Sa biyayang umaapaw, kultura'y nangingibabaw.
Time consumed 9 minutes and 5 seconds. Once again, thank you, cluster number 3. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our performers for tonight. And at this juncture, may we also hear a short message from Councilor Honorable Ira May Viloria.
Yo asiriya pinambang Pintalom-dalom anak pagtalomon kayang Nagusti pacindo doragan Ahino anti bunganan
Pantay karyan, kendi suor, napipintas na panaswati abo tayo. Pagliliwan, ken pagkagsakan, ito'y tayo mabilay.
Agyaman ak apo, umuna-una ikit padayawak man iti agtultulay nga mayor tayo, the Honorable Benjamin Loren Quaresma III. Palakpakan tayo apo ni Mayor. Kastamat apo, iti agtultuloy nga Vice Mayor tayo, the Honorable Arnel Graciano Duldulao. Palakpakan tayo met Apo. And to my fellow Sangguniang Bayan members, the Executive Committee, nga idadaulwan na po ni Attorney Paulo Sierra, kanda gini 25 working barangay captains and councils, kastamat apo, nagiti SK chairpersons, nga idadaulwan met, adatoy apo, the Honorable Nezirine Balasya, palakpakan tayo apo suna, our Board of Judges, and all the clusters, na imbag nga rabi kada kayo amin apo, adatoy met gaya maapo, iti sumaruno, nga Vice Gobernador tayo, Sir Edu Balgos, kada kayo aminin apo sa pasap nga kablaaw, idanon man apo, dahito'y numutibiyang, iti panagkablaaw ko, iti naragsak nga piyesta, iti tunggal maysa, ket sapay lakuma, agtultuloy tayo nga agkay kay sa akin, agkakadwa, tapno maragpat tayon, iti City Hood, iti Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya. Ngarod apo, manipod, iti pamilya, Bilaria, mabuhay ang Bambang, na imbag nga rabi kada kayo amin.
Once again, thank you so much po. Honorable Councilor Ira May Viloria. While we are waiting for the result of the winners, we would like to take this opportunity to recognize and thank the hardworking leaders of our municipality.
First, our heartfelt thanks to our ever-supportive Mayor Honorable Benjamin Loren Quaresma III.
Of course, our dynamic Vice Mayor, Honorable Engineer Arnel G. Duldulao, who continues to inspire and lead our community with passion.
We would also like to recognize and thank the hardworking councilors of our municipality. Councilor Alexander Caldulut Jr., Councilor Mark Joel Balgos, Councilor Arnel Magdirila, Councilor Ira May Viloria, Councilor Lorenzo Alias, Councilor George Atabay, Councilor Freddy Romel, Councilor Alejandro Pamintan Jr., ABC President Wilfred Sampillo, SK Federation President Nazarene O. Balasya, IPMR Sir Albert Banguna.
We would also like to extend our sincerest gratitude to our esteemed leaders, our second Dibangbang Festival Director General, Attorney Paulo Papu Sierra, to the Deputy Director General, Ms. Julian May C. Valdez, and Mr. Kevin M. Lumang. Our Executive Committee, Attorney Papu Sierra, Mr. Lupito Lloyd Valdez, Ms. Julian May Valdez, Mr. Danilo R. Daquel, Ms. Rochelle D. Yacerit, Ms. Feli M. Sarmiento, Ms. Ophelia M. Antonio, Ms. Karen Gay Del Rosario, Mr. Joseph Ryan Biag, Ms. Daphne Bangunan, Mr. Kurt Alfaro, and Ms. Buena Vista. We would also like to recognize and thank our Executive Committee Technical Working Group,
Ms. Nazarene O. Balasya, Mr. Ernest Carlo Gintab, and Mr. Romar De Leon. Also, a big salute to our Congresswoman, Honorable Luisa Loren Quaresma, for her endless support for Bambang and for making tonight's celebration possible.
and of course, to all our barangay captains who are here tonight, and LGU staff who work behind the scenes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Bambangueños, for joining us this night. This variety show is a testament that Bambangueños are multi-talented.
Yo asiriya pinangbang Intalom-dalom anak patromon kayang Nawisti pagsindo doragat Amino ang timbunganan
Pantay karyan, kendi suor Napipintas na parswati abo tayo Pagliliwan, ken pagkagsakan
We would also like to acknowledge our sponsors, the officers of Bambang Tourism Stakeholder Association, the tourism-related establishment, Dr. Ray Gampoña, the owner of Gampoña's Farm and Resort, Ms. Teresa Ann C. Dagan of Adaha Travel and Tours, Attorney Artemio Ordonez Jr., the owner of Hidden Farm.
Mihala nga puta uwa Diyos Sikien e hawan inapiana Irayaw tau, iohay tau Mabilay ibamba
We would also like to invite you to join us tomorrow night for the Grand Coronation Night of Miss Bambang 2025 here at the Municipal Auditorium at 7 p.m.
Bambangueños, are you still alive and kicking this night? Nandito na po ang result para sa float competition natin kaninang umaga. Andito pa po ba lahat ng barangays? Ayan, very alive pa rin po ang Bambangueños. Ito na po ang ating pinakahinihintay. Third place. May we request the Honorable Mayor Jami and also the officials to please proceed here in front to award the certificates.
Imutin lahat ng problema Halina tayo'y magsama-sama Kultura sa ating ipinamana Ipagbunyi at pagkaingatan
Mihala nga puta uwa Diyos Sikien e hawan inapiana Irayaw tau, iohay tau Mabilay ibamba
Third place. Is it an urban or rural barangay? With a cash prize of 20,000 pesos. Our third place is Barangay Banggot. float number 6. May we request the officials and the Bangot community please receive the certificate.
May we call on any representative from Barangay Bangot? Beijing Mamlay.
There you have it, Bambang, once again, our third place, Barangay Bangot.
Second place with a cash prize of 30,000 pesos. Are you ready? Our second place is Barangay San Fernando.
Float number 22.
Talong-talong anak patromon kayang Nagusti pagsindo doragat Ahino antin bunga na
Pantay karyan kendisuan Napipintas na panaswati amo tayo Pagliw-liwan ken pagkagsakan Dito'y tayo ang
Marilay, Ibamba Ibambang tao, bambanggenyos tayo May sa tayo ikipuso Ibambang tao, taran at magdiwang tayo Mabilay bambang, umali ayo
And finally,
problema Halina tayo'y magsama
first place during the float competition of the second Ibangbang Festival. Is it from the rural barangays or the urban barangays? Bambangueños with a cash prize of 40,000. Our first place is no other than Barangay Caloocan, float number 9. Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Ibambang, 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 ibambang.
Marilay, Ibamba Iyo asiriya binambang Intalong-talong anak patromon kayang Nagusti pagsindo doragat Ahino antin bunga na
Pantay karyan kendisuan Napipintas na panaswati amo tayo Pagliw-liwan ken pagkagsakan
Once again, congratulations to our winners and also to the participating barangays. Thank you so much for your effort and time.
Buting lahat ng problema, halina tayo'y magsama-sama. Kultura sa ating ipinamana, ipagbunyi at pagkaingatan.
Mihala nga puta uwa Diyos, iyan e hawan inapiana. Irayaw tau, iohay tau, mabilay ibamba.
And now for the variety competition. Once again, this show is a testament that Bambangueños are multi-talented individuals from the youngest to eldest. May we also request the contenders to please proceed here in front. Once again, may we request all the participating contenders to please proceed here in front. Thank you.
Buting lahat ng problema, halina tayo'y magsama-sama. Kultura sa ating ipinamana, ipagbunyi at pagkaingatan.
Mihala nga puta uwa Diyos, iyan e hawan inapiana. Irayaw tau, iohay tau, mabilay ibamba.
We would like also like to award a certificate of appreciation to every cluster. Allow us to read the content of the certificate. Certificate of appreciation. This certificate is awarded to Cluster for participating during the People's Night variety show competition of the second Ibangbang Festival with the theme Ibang Iba na ang Bambang, Embracing Progress, Celebrating Success, held on April 28, 2025, given this 28th day of April 2025 at the Municipal Auditorium, Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya. Attorney Paulo Sierra, Executive Assistant Director General, Bambang Town Fiesta 2025, signed. Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor, signed. This certificate is awarded to Cluster Number 1, Barangay Abinganan, Barangay Makate, and Abian.
This certificate of appreciation is awarded to
May we request the representatives of Barangay Makate, Abian, and Abinganan.
This certificate of appreciation is awarded to Cluster 2, Barangay Buag and Barangay San Leonardo.
Same certificate is awarded to Cluster 3, Barangay Mawan Indiana, and Aliaga. Same certificate is awarded to Cluster 4, Barangay Almaguer North, Almaguer South, and San Antonio North. Same certificate is awarded to Cluster 5, Barangay San Antonio South, Magsaysay Hill, and Bangod. Same certificate is awarded to Cluster 7, Barangay Dulyao, San Fernando, and Calaucan. Same certificate is awarded to Cluster 8, Barangay Dulyao, San Fernando, and Calaucan. And finally, same certificate is awarded to Cluster 9, Barangay Manamtam, Santo Domingo Proper, and Santo Domingo West. Thank you so much, barangays, for joining us this evening. Same certificate is awarded to Cluster number 8, Barangay Palyas and Salinas. Barat and Barat. We stand corrected po. Sorry. Apologies.
At last, the time has come to announce our winners. Bambang, excited na ba kayo? But before that,
we invite you po to join us tomorrow sa coronation ng Miss Bambang 2025 live here, of course, at the Bambang Municipal Auditorium.
a huge thanks to our talented performers, dedicated organizers, and wonderful audience for making this event truly special.
Once again, we would like to thank the following sponsors.
This is it. Third runner-up. Third place. Third place with a cash prize of 20,000 pesos. Cluster number.
Who's your bet, Bambang?
Third place is cluster number 8.
Barangay Palyas, Salinas, and Baran.
Ibang-bang, ibang-bang,
May we call on
ibang-bang.
Ma'am Cynthia to please represent Attorney Artemio Ordonez. Please award the trophy.
Bantay karyan, kendi suot. Napipintas na panaswati ako tayo. Pagliliwan, ken pagkagsakan. Dito'y ili tayo ang mapilay. Ibang-bang.
Ibang-bang tao, bambanggenyos tayo. May sa tayo, ikipuso. Ibang-bang tao, tarana't magdiwang tayo. Magdilay bang-bang, umali ayo.
Imutin lahat ng problema. Halina tayo'y magsama-sama. Kultura sa ating ipinamana. Ipagbuni at pagkaingatan.
And now, for the second place. But before that, may we call on our Board of Judges to please join the officials in front. Thank you so much. We would also like to thank the sponsor of the trophy, Campoña Farm Resort. May we also ask the representative from Campoña Farm Resort to please join them upstage. Bambang! Our second runner-up with the cash prize place with a cash prize of 25,000 pesos. Our second place for this night's variety competition is no other than Cluster number 7, Duliao, San Fernando, and Calaucan. Congratulations.
Ibang-bang, 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 ibang-bang.
Dalom-dalom anak pagturumon kayang Nagusti pagsindo doragat Ahino ang bunga na
Bantay karyan, kendi suot. Napipintas na panaswati ako tayo. Pagliliwan, ken pagkagsakan. Dito'y ili tayo ang mapilay. Ibang-bang.
Ibang-bang tao, bambanggenyos tayo May sa tayo, ikipuso Ibang-bang tao, tarana't magdiwang tayo Magdilay bang-bang, umali ayo.
Imutin lahat ng problema. Halina tayo'y magsama-sama. Kultura sa ating ipinamana. Ipagbuni at pagkaingatan.
Mihalang nga puta uwa Diyos Si DNA hawagin na piyana Irayaw tao, iohay tao, mabilay
We would also like to thank Dr. Reynante Campoña from Campoña Farm Resort for the additional cash prize, which will be divided into the 3 winners, which will be given amounting 20,000 pesos. Thank you so much, Dr. Reynante Campoña.
And now, the moment of truth. The champion for the Variety Show Competition 2025 is, but before that, this trophy is sponsored by Adaha Travel and Tours. May we call on the sponsor, please? Ma'am Teresa Dagan, to award the trophy. The champion for the Variety Show 2025 is cluster number. Who's your bet? Cluster number. Cluster number 4.
Barangay Almaguer North, Almaguer South, and San Antonio North. Congratulations!
Congratulations.
With a cash prize of 40,000 pesos.
We would also like to thank Dr. Reynante Campoña, the owner of Campoña Farm Resort, for the additional cash prize of 20,000 pesos. This would be divided into 3.
Paghahati-hatian po ng 3 winners ng variety show this night. We would also like to congratulate the participating clusters and barangays for their effort. They will be given, or they will be receiving 15,000 pesos as 15,000 as their consolation prize. Again, we would like to thank and congratulate as well the participating barangays and clusters for this evening's affair. They will also be receiving 15,000 pesos as their consolation prizes. Once again, congratulations, Bambang Genios.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, officials, guests, sponsors, and our ever-supportive Bambang Genios.
Once again po, maraming salamat po to our Mayor, Benjamin Jamie Loren Quaresma III, to all the officials and also the executive committees of this affair, and also our board of judges and the audiences. Thank you so much for gracing this event. Mabuhay Bambang! Happy Festival! See you tomorrow at the coronation.